Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we're going to do another short little unboxing. It's actually a pretty big box to share with you guys. Don't know what's in here, but it was sent by, this was sent by one of my Discord mods. Thanks so much, Tristan. I appreciate that. What is wrong with me? I didn't even look at the front. Anyways, thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. What on earth? Why do I not remember? This is how you open a box, by the way. I don't know if you guys knew the proper way to do this. There we go. So that's really the only way to get into a package. So just saw it here first. Anyways, oh boy. Oh, we do have a note. Hang on. Holy moly! Ah, yes, that's right. Oh, okay. Oh man. All right. So, yes, this is Tristan. Hey, thanks so much, Tristan. I appreciate that, man. Let's take a look here, and then I will give you guys the information as we move in. First time I've ever handled it. First time I've ever experienced it at all, so just bear with me. It being, yeah. So this, I've never experienced it. Oh my gosh. This is called a Clark gun stock. Oh boy. It's a knife. It's a knife. YouTube algorithm or whatever you guys, whatever wizardry you use to look over the dialogue in my videos. This is a pocket knife. It is a tool. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. Jeez, wow. This is gorgeous. Holy cow. Wow, look at that pocket clip. Oh my gosh, we got to get some details on this. I'll try to keep it in front of the camera for you guys while I look over his note. Oh, Tristan, I looked at the other side of the paper, the company vehicle policy. I was like, what is this? Let's see here. Clark gun stock. Gen 1. It's an blade and clip with OD micarta and Zirc accent. So that is zirconium right there. Very cool. Mitch is a part-time maker while he's in university in South Africa. Oh my gosh, that is just gorgeous. Okay, Clark knives is what you guys are looking at here. Insanely good to work with, easy to contact. His Instagram is at Clark_handmade knives. Let me see if I can get that for you guys here real quick so you guys know who to check out. I'm gonna fold that up so that you guys are just seeing the Instagram account. Right here. Can we focus in? Clark_handmade knives. Right there. Anyways. Yeah. Okay. Newest generation. Okay. Yes. Yeah. This is very beautiful. And we have dead perfect centering. Wonderful front flip reaction. That's really nice. The pocket clip is beautiful too. I can't stress this enough, guys. The action on this is absolutely ridiculous. And it's complete. That is impossibly solid. Oh my gosh. What a gorgeous folding knife. Beautiful zirconium contrast with the micarta. And the inlay work is also wonderful. Do we have... Hang on. Checking the usual... No pivot lash. No detent lash. Gosh, that is stunning. I'm going to guess that that's Damasteel. I'm sure it's in his note somewhere. Very, very beautiful. So this is a custom knife from South Africa. But apparently, and you guys can rest assured it's going to be expensive. I don't know how much, but you'll need to contact him on his Instagram page if you want to get on the books. This is definitely one of the coolest front flippers I have ever seen, and I love the lines. I love them. There's a nice spot for your index finger right here to choke up on the blade. Jimping's in the right place. The blade is just fantastic, fully flat ground. Oh, God, the edge. Oh, oh, man. Can feel the fibers popping off of the dead skin on my thumb there. That is just beautiful. There's your lock up right there. Love the liner lock, which I'm going to guess is titanium. Very light, too. Let's take a couple of measurements real quick for you guys. So the overall length, that's a really pocket-friendly size. Overall length of this bad boy here is coming in at right at 8 inches. Beautiful. Blade length right at 3.5 inches. Cutting edge is about at 3.25, something like that. How about the weight? We have, let's take a look. I don't see any milling in there, but it feels impossibly, not impossibly light. It just feels light. Weight on this guy. Now that I'm 3.5 ounces, really good ratios too. Now that I'm thinking about it, I have heard of this. I've just never seen it. I think this has been maybe been around for just a bit, and I'm just slow on the draw. Man, that is cool. Oh my gosh, how beautiful! This is wonderful. I can't wait to dig into this one and learn about it. Of course, this is just an unboxing and first impressions. Sorry about that. That's very obnoxious. Unboxing and first impressions. So this is not a review. You guys will absolutely get a full review in 3 to 4 weeks, something like that. But I cannot wait to share this one with you guys. This is an exceptionally beautiful and very functional, very pleasing knife. So yeah, you can expect to see that. Thanks again, Tristan, for sending this in. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.